Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen. Today we are making the roast chicken from Tanta, and this chicken is going to make all your other roast chickens feel neglected and jealous because you're only gonna wanna make this one. First off, we're gonna make a nice, easy little brine for this chicken. Just a mixture of water and salt. It's about 2 quarts of water. There's already a quart in here. And then 2.5 tablespoons of salt. Let the salt fully dissolve. Using a salty brine like this helps give the bird some extra moisture, keep it from drying out too much in the oven. This guy has been in the fridge for about 2 hours. We've ditched the brine, we've rinsed off our chicken. Now we're just gonna pat it dry and get it ready to go in the oven. We're gonna get started on the marinade now. Key ingredient here, which is this ají amarillo, which is a kind of moderately spicy chili paste. You can find it at most Mexican grocery stores or maybe in the international section of larger grocery stores as well. And you can smell it, it's pretty potent. We're gonna add 4 cloves of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, some cumin, and some oregano. Then we're gonna blend this up. Then you're gonna add in about 2 ounces of Coke and 2 ounces of beer. Something light and mild, lager is great. And then you can drink the rest. So I'm gonna blend this up a little more because we're not there yet. And now that our marinade is actually a liquid and not just the idea of a liquid, we're gonna put our chicken in a plastic bag. Come on, buddy, you can do it. And when your friend's in there nice and well, you're gonna add the marinade. Close up the old Ziploc and then kind of mush it around to make sure that all the chicken is well coated before you put it in the fridge for another 3 hours to get fully soaked. So this has been in the fridge for about 3 hours. It's ready to go in the oven for an hour at 350. Patted it dry of the marinade and now it's going to go get beautiful. She's out of the oven. Time for her to take a little nap after all the work she has done. We're gonna tent this chicken with some foil and let it rest, let the juices kind of settle so this chicken stays nice and juicy. We're just gonna let it sit. So this chicken has rested, the juices have all settled in and made themselves comfortable. Now we can finally taste it. Cheers. It's so moist. It's crazy how moist this is. And just nice and flavorful too. This is not a boring roast chicken. This is a roast chicken that you want to serve to all of your friends at your house and they're like, oh my God, you're such a good cook. And you're like, I know, I am so good. It'll change the way you think about roast chicken.